it's your girl Danielle. Welcome back to my channel. It's our first video with my new Christmas setup. If you're new here, make sure you hit that subscribe button down below. If it's not your first time here and you've seen 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, all of my videos, why don't you go ahead and subscribe already? I would greatly appreciate it. Today's video is going to kind of be a mix of things. First things first, we're going to go ahead and announce the winner of my giveaway. Yes! I finally reached 500 subscribers on my channel, so I did a giveaway as promised. It was a random giveaway, and my girl, It's All Good Baby, she won herself a Kylie holiday lip set. Yes! Oh, it's stuck. Okay. Yes! So kudos to her. I'm going to get that sent out to her. So I wanted to go ahead and announce that so I could get that in the mail. So happy holidays. I am so grateful and thankful for your support. So let's go ahead and segue into the next announcement. Yes, I'm going to be doing another giveaway. Of course, I have not decided what I'm going to be giving away. But I mean, can you hear that? Can you hear that? Like, I have tons of brand new stuff to give away. I'm definitely going to put together something, and maybe I'll announce it in my next video. So you just got to keep on watching and make sure you stay subscribed. Yes, okay. What's great is if you're already subscribed, then you're already entered into the giveaway. All you have to do is stay subscribed. So all of those subscribers who got me to 500, yes, I greatly appreciate you. Thank you so much. Like, you don't even know how much it means to me. But just so you know, you guys are still entered into my next giveaway. So as long as you stay subscribed, you will always have a chance to win. Yes. Go ahead, girl. Oh, guess what? You guys didn't even notice that you didn't have to listen to my terrible intro, did you? Hi, yes! My terrible sponsorship video. I totally need to make a new one. But I forgot I hadn't said anything about my new metal straws. These are my color-changing metal straws. They change from purple to pink. So yeah, be environmentally friendly, and you can go on my website, link in the description box below. So yes, today's video is sponsored by me. Get yourself a metal straw. Perfect for when you can't mess up that lipstick, honey. Okay, let me stop. Alright, so let's go ahead and get into the last thing for this video, and that is my Black Friday haul part 2, which isn't very big, but Ulta was having a buy one get one for 50% off sale on Redken on Black Friday, or was it Cyber Monday? I don't remember. So this is my Black Friday haul number 2. The first thing that I got is this Color Extend Bonder Kit from Redken. My stylist does use Redken products, so I had to go buy some stuff for my hair. You know what? She said, what are you using on your hair now? I said, Tresemme. She's like, no, honey, don't get your shampoo where you can get your food. Like, no. I said, but it says it's made by hairstylist, or it's for the hairstylist, or something like that. You know what I'm saying? Like, they said it's for the hairstylist. The hairstylist recommended it. But I'm sure you could put anything on a bottle. So I got that, and then, so that is supposed to be used for the first 2 weeks. And then I got this. This is the Color Extend Bondage Color Depositing Conditioner and Shampoo. Wait. Shampoo, conditioner, shampoo, conditioner, shampoo, conditioner. Hey, look! It matches my purple straw and my purple hoodie. So go ahead and get yourself one. Yes. Now I gotta admit, I do like coming on camera with makeup. I just feel so pretty. But I'm pretty anyway, so. Oh my God, you guys. I will leave a information link card, something. It should pop up right here or right here. I don't know what side of the screen it's gonna be on. I'm pretty sure it's like right here. I'm gonna leave a link to this video where I got a really nasty comment where this guy was like, you sound like a girl, but you look like a man. Like, do I look like a man with my new hair? I've never gotten that one before. No one's ever said I look like a man. But yes, I told him to stay tuned in the next video. So if you would like to know.
The following is intended only for mature audiences. Viewer discretion advised.
I'm a woman, I've got a wet and my big daddy loves it. So, just for your information, sorry, should have said mature audiences only. Don't let your kids watch these videos. Some of them are kid friendly, but sorry. If your kids are in the room, sorry, I apologize. Okay, anyway, so buy one, get one 50% off. So I got the purple shampoo and the conditioner. So this should be used regularly. The bonders used the first 2 weeks you get your hair done. Then you switch over to this. So now I've got new color depositing shampoo. And hopefully, oh, you know what I said I was going to do? I said I was going to take these orange, have you guys seen that video yet? I recorded that video. I don't know if I've uploaded it. But I did say I was going to take these, orange filters off of my ring light because I feel like my hair is reading a little yellow and it's a lot blonder than it looks on camera to me. So yeah, okay, so I got that, and then I got this for free. So it was like spend $35 or $40 and you get this for free. This is the Extreme Play Safe 450 degrees fortifying heat protection treatment for hot tool damage. Oh my God, that's like a mouthful. Jesus Christ. We're gonna call this the Redken Extreme Play Safe Heat Protectant. Oh my God, that's still too long. Jesus Christ. But I got this for free. This will be really, really good for my ends, you know, since they just got cut off. They're nice and healthy. So I will definitely be using that when I style my hair. I'm also going to be doing a video about how I'm styling my hair. I'm also going to be doing a video about how I did this hair. Like, this was very Marilyn Monroe inspired. Like, do you like it? I really do like it. I actually have not curled my hair since I got it cut or colored. And I'm living for it. Like, it's great. Don't my eyes look so blue today? I'm just in such a good mood. I'm feeling so good. Are you guys feeling good? I hope you are. And yeah, that's all I got for my Black Friday haul. I am burning Vanilla Bean Noel. I love that candle. My mom got me that candle last year, so it's great for the holidays. Do you guys like my new holiday setup? I really like it. It's so cute. All right. I think that's it for this video. So I just wanted to go ahead and get this video up so I could announce my winner, so I could get her out her lipsticks, y'all. So yes. All right. Let's go ahead and wrap up this video. If you are not subscribed to my channel, please make sure you're subscribed. And I guess until next time, I'll see you guys later. I love you. Peace.